Hi everyone and welcome back again to another lesson. In this lesson number 4, I will go over some verbs and prepositions. Just real quick, whether you're new watching this video or not, make sure to check the other 3 videos to catch up with me or just a review since repetition plays an important role in learning languages. With that being said, let's get started. So verbs and prepositions are used together in both English and Spanish, but not always in the same way. Many Spanish verbs require a specific preposition in front of a noun or infinitive. The choice of preposition depends on the verb before it, not whatever comes after, and there is no shortcut or trick to learning this, so sadly, you just have to memorize them. The tip that I have for you is that try to repeat the verbs with the preposition out loud, so you can get used to the combination of both words whenever you will be speaking. So review this short list and make sure you've got this down, as they're used extensively in everyday Spanish conversation. A. To or at. Con. With. En. In. Por. For. De. Of or from. Today I will cover the preposition a, so stay tuned because I will go over the rest later on. Acercarse a, to approach. Ella se acerca a mí. She approaches me. Acostumbrarse a, to get used to. Acostumbrarse a reírse es divertido. To get used to laugh is fun. Asistir a, to attend. Asistir a la escuela es una opción. To attend school is an option. Cuidar a, to take care of. Yo cuido a mis primos. I take care of my cousins. Dirigirse a, to go toward, address. Dirigirse a un profesor con respeto es necesario. Addressing to a teacher with respect is necessary. Echar la culpa a, to blame. Echar la culpa a mi hermana siempre no es bueno. Blaming my sister is not always good. Entrar a, to enter. Yo estoy entrando a clases. I am entering classes. Ir a, to go to. Ella va al supermercado. She goes to the supermarket. Jugar a, to play. Jugar a las escondidas es aburrido. Playing hide and seek is boring. Llamar a, to call. Llamar a mi abuela es siempre interesante. Calling my grandmother is always interesting. Llegar a, to arrive at. Llegar a la reunión a tiempo es muy importante. Getting to the meeting on time is very important. Amar a, to love. Victoria ama a John. Victoria loves John. Resistirse a, to resist. Yo me resisto a creer en las mentiras de la sociedad. I resist in believing societal myths. Responder a, to answer. Yo no sé si responder a esta llamada sea una buena idea. I don't know if answering this call is a good idea. Saber a, to taste like. Tu comida sabe a una cucharada de sal. Your food tastes like a tablespoon of salt. Oler a, to smell like. Tu perfume huele a flores. Your perfume smells like flowers. Sonar a, to sound like. El plan suena a problemas. The plan sounds like trouble. Tocar a, to knock on. Tocar a la puerta. Knock on the door. So that's everything for today's lesson. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this and remember to hit the subscribe button. See you guys later. Hasta luego.